Good afternoon, my dear angelic students. This afternoon, we will discuss another lesson which is still part of the scientific attitudes that we must have as future researchers and as angelic students. So, this is entitled Objectivity. So, objectivity class is one of the scientific attitudes that we considered also as important. Now, here are the learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you students should be able to recognize and show scientific attitudes specifically about objectivity. Now, we have here some guide questions for you to fund on. Number one, what is objectivity? Number two, how important is being objectivity or objective into becoming a researcher? Number three, when and how do we show objectivity? So these three important questions, class, will lead you to understand further about our topic this afternoon. Start with the lesson proper. I will give you a short test in order to determine your prior knowledge about the lesson. So may I read to you the direction of the test. Determine whether the following statements are true or false. Write your answers in your notebook. Please answer all the items honestly. So, the direction is very clear. I hope every one of you has a notebook wherein you're going to write all your answers, and you'll just be writing two words, true or false. As simple as that. So let's proceed to question number one. A proposition is generally considered objectively true, to have objective truth, when its truth conditions are met without biases caused by feelings, ideas, opinions, etc. of a sentient subject. Is the statement true or false? Write your answers in your notebook. Number two question. This second meaning of objectivity is sometimes used synonymously with neutrality. Is it true or false? Number three. Objectivity in science is a value that informs how science is practiced and how scientific truths are discovered. True or false? Number 4. Objectivity should not be confused with scientific consensus. Scientists may agree at one point in time but later discover that this consensus represented a subjective point of view. True or false? And the last number, number 5. The terms objectivity and subjectivity in their modern usage generally relate to a perceiving subject, normally a person, and a perceived or unperceived object. Is the statement true or false? Again, write your answers on your notebook, and I hope you answered it honestly. And later on, we will reveal the correct answers.